Analyzing the USD and Brazilian reals. I've kind of zoomed out a whole lot to see what is the extent of movement of the price. So if I look at the 1-day chart, and this is let's do 5 minutes or 1 minute. So 1-day chart, I can see that the price is kind of stabilized. So if I do here 1 hour, today is the 12th of December, and the price is here 3.83 reals per US dollar. If I zoom out, I can see the price has actually gone up. This was the highest point in the last that is 27, and today is the 4th, so 3 and 7 days. Last week it has come down quite a lot. And analyzing this Forex movement, I would think to say where the support line is. So it has always broken out each time and gone up, and this was resistance here. And I would say if this is the new resistance line, it's possible that it can go either way, but just trying to figure out here. So let's do 1 day here like this, so I can zoom out a bit more. Okay, so now we can see a bigger picture of the swing. You can see there's a swing, and if we look at that swing, it tells me that it's possibly gonna go up, but it might be a smaller swing. So you can see there's a small swing here, small low swing, and this was a high swing, and this was a big jump here, and it went down. So what to say about this? Okay, goes up, down, goes up, goes down. Where is it going? The USD Brazilian reals. Okay, it's kind of stuck. It's not moving much. It's kind of stuck. Perhaps we should use a different pair, but I've made money with this one in the past. So, okay. According to the technical analysis, I would say this is the new support line right here. So that means it's not going to come lower than this. So as it is, I'm willing to put a buy trade on this, even though it's meant to come down a bit. But if I put my stop loss, it's gonna be here, the stop loss. So 3.654. Okay, so let's do a buy, and I'm gonna do. Okay, no, don't do that. Okay, so I'm gonna just adjust my stop loss here. When the loss is at 50%, the asset price is, I will set that to 6. See, the auto close right now is here 3.75, but this is my resistance here. So that means I'm going to put my stop loss to be 3.67. 7 or 6.8, 3.68. Okay, so I'll go back here and let's say the price is 3.78, 3.6, 3.6, 0.7, 3.6, 3.6 supply. So the auto close will be, and the loss is 129. So that means I can suffer $129 if it goes below this point. And I've not set the closing profit, so for that I would say that if it hits this point again, let's say 3.94, it's possible. 3.94, apply. So my auto close for profit seems to be here, which is, I think, is achievable because this is the new resistance level. That's the high, and that's not very far back. This was in September, and now we are in December. And in the last 7 days we have had this. So let's zoom out again. So that means in the last 7 days it was at 3.9. So it's possible it goes up there again. In the last 7 days it did go this low, and I set the price to be here. So this was the opening, this is a closing, and this was a low. For this is a 1 day chart. So intraday it was about how much is this? Okay, graphical to line. So if I do this here, okay, let's delete that. Okay, so we leave this trade open and see what happens. We've given it more stop loss according to the support line, and then we're just about closing here, so we can get a profit of $48. $48 for $500 investment, which is about 10%. We've given it more room for the stop loss to happen, and I'll do another update after we have closed this, or it auto closes. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Go to easytradingschool.com for the course to learn the basics and trade like a pro. There's a higher chance of making a better profit, and if you have some background and experience, and that can only come with some training. Our course has a lot of video tutorials covering a lot of strategies and basics, and tutorials like these and much more. Okay, so take care and see you guys.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.